Your kidneys are powerful filters, clearing out waste, excess fluids, and toxins while also regulating blood pressure, producing red blood cells and strengthening bones. Though they naturally cleanse themselves, you can support them by staying hydrated and eating kidney-friendly foods like fruits and vegetables. If you experience fatigue, bloating, kidney pain, or frequent infections, your kidneys might need extra care. Certain herbs can help, but always consult your doctor before use, especially if you have a kidney condition or take medication. Ready to give your kidneys a natural boost? Here are some of the best herbs to support their function. Let's get started. Number 1. Parsley. Parsley is a potent kidney cleanser due to its natural diuretic properties. It helps eliminate excess fluids, reduces kidney burden, and prevents the formation of kidney stones by flushing out toxins. Many individuals suffering from mild kidney dysfunction report significant improvement in their urinary flow and reduction in bloating after drinking parsley tea for a few days. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that parsley extract increased urine volume and enhanced kidney function in animal models. How to make parsley tea. Add 1 tablespoon of crushed fresh parsley to a cup of boiling water. Cover and steep for 5 minutes, then strain. Drink a few cups daily for up to a week. Note: avoid consuming large amounts of parsley if you are pregnant. Number 2. Dandelion Root. Dandelion root promotes kidney function by increasing urine output and removing waste buildup. It also helps balance sodium and potassium levels, essential for optimal kidney health. People who suffer from water retention and mild kidney issues have reported relief after using dandelion tea for a week. How to make dandelion root tea. Boil 2 teaspoons of dried dandelion root in 1 cup of water for 5 minutes. Remove from heat, cover, and steep for 10 minutes. Strain, add honey if desired, and drink twice daily for several weeks. Note: consult your doctor before using dandelion root, as it may interact with certain medications. Number 3. Marshmallow Root. Marshmallow root provides soothing relief to the kidneys by reducing inflammation and preventing infections in the urinary tract. It also promotes hydration, which is vital for kidney function. People with recurring urinary tract infections, UTIs, have found relief and a decrease in symptoms by drinking marshmallow tea regularly. How to make marshmallow root tea. Add 1 tablespoon of dried marshmallow root and leaves to a cup of hot water. Cover and steep for 8 to 10 minutes, then strain. Drink 2 cups daily for up to 1 week. Note: avoid marshmallow root if you are pregnant, nursing, or have diabetes. Number 4. Ginger. Ginger contains strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and toxin buildup. It also enhances circulation to the kidneys, ensuring they function properly. People who incorporate ginger into their diet frequently report improved digestion and fewer kidney-related issues. How to make ginger tea. Simmer 2 teaspoons of freshly grated ginger in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. Strain and add honey or lemon juice for flavor. Drink 2 to 3 times daily. You can also add raw or dried ginger to your meals for additional benefits. Number 5. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. It helps prevent kidney inflammation, supports detoxification, and improves kidney filtration. People with kidney inflammation have reported reduced symptoms and better overall kidney function after incorporating turmeric into their diet. A study in Renal Failure Journal found that curcumin has protective effects against chronic kidney disease and oxidative stress. How to prepare a turmeric detox drink. Mix 1 teaspoon of raw turmeric juice, juice of 1/2 or 1 lemon, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and a little honey in a cup of warm water. Drink once daily for several weeks. Number 6. Celery. Celery acts as a natural diuretic that helps flush out harmful toxins while improving kidney filtration. It also contains key nutrients like potassium and sodium, which help maintain kidney balance. Many individuals have experienced a reduction in bloating and better urinary health after drinking celery juice daily. Also, a study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that celery extract improves kidney function and protects against kidney damage. How to use celery for kidney health. Drink 1 glass of fresh celery juice daily for a few weeks. Add raw celery to your diet to support kidney function and prevent infections. Number 7. Corn silk. Corn silk is a traditional remedy used to treat kidney stones and urinary tract infections. It promotes urine production, helping clear waste and reducing kidney stress. How to make corn silk tea. Place 2 teaspoons of dried corn silk in a cup. Pour boiling water over it, cover, and steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and drink 2 to 3 times daily. Note: drink plenty of fluids while consuming corn silk tea. Consult your doctor before using it, as it may interact with medications. Number 8. Nettle leaf. Nettle leaf supports kidney function by reducing inflammation and preventing the buildup of harmful toxins. It also helps break down kidney stones before they form. How to make nettle leaf tea. Add 1 teaspoon of dried nettle leaves to a cup of boiling water. Steep for 10 minutes, then strain. Drink twice daily for a few weeks. Note: nettle leaf may interact with blood pressure or blood thinning medications, so consult your doctor before using it. Number 9. Horsetail. Horsetail is rich in silica, which strengthens the urinary tract and helps prevent infections. It also acts as a natural diuretic, flushing out excess fluids and detoxifying the kidneys. How to make horsetail tea. Add 1 teaspoon of dried horsetail to a cup of boiling water. Steep for 10 minutes, then strain. Drink up to 2 cups daily for a few weeks. Note: avoid prolonged use, as it may cause mineral imbalances. Number 10. Additional kidney health tips. Maintaining kidney health requires a combination of good lifestyle choices and proper hydration. Avoiding smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and caffeine can help reduce stress on the kidneys. Keeping blood pressure and blood sugar levels under control is essential in preventing long-term kidney damage. Managing cholesterol levels is equally important, as high cholesterol can negatively impact kidney function. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day aids in flushing out toxins and maintaining proper kidney filtration. A well-balanced diet rich in fruits, green vegetables, and whole grains supports kidney function, while reducing the intake of fried foods and excess salt helps minimize kidney strain. Including antioxidant-rich foods such as berries, leafy greens, and bell peppers can provide additional support in preventing oxidative damage to kidney cells. Avoiding processed foods high in preservatives and artificial ingredients reduces the overall burden on the kidneys. Probiotics found in yogurt and fermented foods can promote gut health, which indirectly benefits kidney function. Regular medical checkups are recommended, particularly for individuals with diabetes or hypertension, to monitor kidney health and catch potential issues early. By following these natural methods and making healthy lifestyle choices, you can support your kidneys and improve your overall well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Let us know in the comments if you've tried any of these natural kidney cleansing remedies, or if you have any questions. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.